So, I'm just showing this off a little bit. It's a fourth axis utilization for tapping head. So you will see.
What happened? Everything all right?
Yeah, I'm just making a video. It's all good.
I get to tweet away at it.
Yeah. So we just put a drop of oil in each hole and then let this sucker run. It's going to do like 14 or 15 holes all on its own. Here's a part that it just did a little while ago. And so we're up here in our machine shop running our Fidel from our same software that you see there, same electronic controls. We're making other parts. Oh, that's Lawrence there. He's famous. If you guys see him in an alley, run like hell. Anyway, and here's our other control, and we have it wired into a standard controller. Of course, you see that's just a temporary thing. We're just doing it to show how it can be done. And that's a very good example of the fourth axis. I'm going to go ahead and add an air blow-off mechanism today, and once I get that done, I'll give other people a shot at seeing what it's doing. There you go. Completely synchronized rigid tapping. Very easy to do on this. So thank you, Greg, and thank you everybody else in the whole world that stays with us. We love it. Take care.